Pillarhouse launches the new JADE Pro series, a further advancement of our world-leading JADE handload platform. Our acclaimed Pillarcom industry-leading programming and control software gives the operator the ability to create any process program quickly and easily using our proven point-and-click interface and many other user-friendly features. The JADE is still, today, the leading machine for thousands of users who need large board handling in a small footprint. By incorporating a board support system capable of holding a PCB of up to 457 by 508 mm, as you can see, its simple handload operation provides the user with great flexibility, making it ideal for quick changes in small batch processing, keeping costs down and production numbers up. Incorporating DC servo drives as standard, the JADE Pro offers the user optional twin-independent solder pots, which can be configured with highly flexible single-point all-purpose solder nozzles and our revolutionary patented 1.5mm micro nozzle technology. All this plus quick throughput jet wave nozzles, which are particularly useful for soldering connectors and components with longer pins. The system can operate with larger baths for dedicated high-volume single-dip applications and can accommodate twin adjustable pumps for simultaneous dual product throughput. The JADE Pro offers an optional automated solder bath change system, so it's capable of working with up to 4 solder pots in any given machine program. This is first-class flexibility, with up to 4 different solder nozzle types and solder alloys available to deliver maximum process capability. To deal with the ever-increasing preheat requirements demanded by lead-free alloys and some of today's multi-layer heavy ground plane products, a new underside optional infrared preheater is available. Seen here, it uses the renowned Pillarhouse patented slide in or out preheater module. Continuing our reputation for innovation, Pillarhouse offers a laser-based PCB warp correction system. This compensates for deformed products. Thermal nozzle calibration is fitted as standard for improved solder nozzle positioning, and a nitrogen purity analyzer is available to measure oxygen content in ppm at the critical point of soldering in real time. Here, in its Prodex configuration, the system is operating with our highly acclaimed twin rotary table board load system. See how the system rapidly deals with product throughput for PCBs. It can work at this speed for PCBs up to the maximum size of 457 by 508 mm. Notice also the benefit of a convenient workstation, offering improved load and unload capability, as well as giving the operator an ideal position to insert components onto the PCB if required. The JADE Pro and Prodex, world-leading selective soldering technology from Pillarhouse.